So, okay, so page 86, you don't have to use the box method. You can use the arrows and just expand, right? Okay, so then we talked about difference of two squares, sum of two squares. You will get more of these, and we'll show you or get you guys to practice and buy in to this very quick where you just right away get the answer. Okay, so we'll practice that. All right. Let me do the next thing. Okay, so now page 87. All right, let's solve 11. Calculator 10. All right, the a value, remember, it's y equal a x minus x1, x minus x2. My a value is 4. It's positive, so I know it's going to be concave up, right? Okay, what is my vertex? We'll find that. What are my x-intercepts? My x1, x2, what are my two numbers? Two ends? -6, perfect. Okay, so at 2, and at -6, that's what an x-intercept means, right? You can give me these, you can express your answer this way. If you want to express it as the point, the coordinate point, that's perfect too, right? Okay, where is your vertex? Okay, but at least you should know your axis of symmetry is in between, right? It runs through the x value of your vertex, and it breaks up the symmetry. Okay, so what's your middle number? -2? Okay. So -2. So this is -2. Half my vertex is -2. And then you just have to figure out what our y is. And I have a feeling it's going to, is it a really big number? And they give us this little itty bitty graph paper. Really? What is it?
-64.
Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. How do you find the y value to your vertex? You plug it in. I'm trying to get the calculator to show. Okay, so I get 4. The vertex -2, bless you, -2, -2, +6, right? Remember, when you are substituting, do not switch the signs, okay? Like you guys do for the intercept. Students are doing that. Some did it on the test. So, okay. You hit equal, you get -64 like Joe said. Okay, so now the problem is yeah, it's so, okay, so what do we go by? Tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60? Yeah, I guess, okay. So -10, so then this is -60, so this will be -64. Yeah, I would want it, whatever. Okay, and then that's, okay, there's your graph. Okay, it wants your y-intercept. The problem is this is definite, you're going to have a lot of human error with the y-intercept. Yeah, I mean -50 something. What do you say?
53.
Hey, I was gonna guess 53 too. Okay, negative, right? So question mark. This is a visual estimation. Okay, now if you use your graph, that's what you have. But you guys should know how to solve it accurately. How do we solve the y-intercept accurately? What do I let equal 0? What two variables do you see? X and Y, right? So if you want to find the y-intercept, let x equal 0. And now let's see if Joey and I, we got a good estimation. Let x equal 0 and solve. Okay, so what do I get? Y is equal, I know I'm in the stretch category, 4, 0 minus 2, 0 plus 6, 4, -2, 6, What do you guys want me to multiply first? The -2 and the 6, or does it matter? Yeah. Okay. And so you get -48. We weren't that. Yeah. We were a little off. 5 units off. That's not bad, right? So technically, obviously, my graph has a lot of human error on it. It should really be like right there. I'll force it. Okay, your A value is 4, so when they're talking about the stretch, your stretch is at 4 value. Because this number is greater than 1, because the A value is greater than 1, it becomes more tube-like. It's like skinnier, so it's growing faster. You guys just can't see it because our graph paper is so tiny. Here, where's my phone? Let me put it on Desmos. Hold on, Desmos. It's still recording, you guys. Let me try and show Desmos. Y equal 4x minus 2, x plus 6. Okay, so if I type this into Desmos, so see, here, I'm just going to cover it really quick. Okay, so I type it in y equal 4, x minus 2, x minus 6, right? And so now, see how tube-like it is? It's like skinny, right? But then if I was to plug in y equals, say I'll go 0.4. I'll show you guys how if it's less than 1, if it's a fraction, a decimal less than 1, it becomes more bowl-like. It's wider. Yeah, okay. All right, so I plug in 0.4. When the A value is less than 1, it's more bowl-like. So see how it's skinnier? So the bigger the number is from 1, it's more skinny, more tube-like. It's a stretch. But if it's a less than 1, 0.25, 0.5, 0.4, 0.6, 0.1, it's more bowl-like. And so see how it's just, it widens out? Okay. Okay, I'll stop the video. Can I, yeah? Stop it? Yeah, okay.